Peas. Mmm.
Mmm.
Are you excited?
Jack's about to have his first vegetable, which is peas.
Alright, stirring it up.
Let's see what happens.
Oh, you're so excited. You're banging on the tray. Here it comes. Do you like it? I'm not sure. You trying to... Are you gonna cry?
What'd you think?
Mmm, vegetables. Oh, you're gonna go for some more? Here you go. Look at that face. Aww, it's so yummy. Here.
Go ahead.
Here, Jack.
Eat some more peas.
Open up. Can't really get in there if you open your mouth. Try again. You ready? Okay. Here you go. Open your mouth. Good job. What was that? Here you go. Open your mouth. Okay. Mmm. You're so cute. Okay, ready? There you go.
Woo!
That's different, huh? That's the new food. Open.
Mmm.
So good.
You're doing a good job.
It's like a shock every time. Oh, uh-oh. Dripped some. Do you like it? Tell us what you think. Come on. Good job. I love these faces you're making. Here you go. Mmm. Okay. Oh, you're gonna make a mess now? Thanks. Jack, say ah. Oh, come on. Mmm. Watch your fingers. You're gonna cut your nails and stuff. Watch out. Open wide. Open, open, open. Like no more peas.